My name is Erin Morse. My firm handles cases which involve child custody, developing a parenting plan for parents who are divorcing or parents who are not married, establishing child support, alimony, and for equitable distribution of property and assets. I specifically handle cases which also involve distributing a business. So if you own a small business, that is something that our firm handles on a very frequent basis. It's really important when we have the opportunity to help a family to figure out what they need and what their life is going to look like on the other side of a divorce or separation, so that the parties can be the best parents that they can be and make sure that they retain their ability to financially support themselves and their children on the other side of a divorce. Our clients seek us out because we will develop a specific strategy for every unique case. It's really important for us that we figure out the exact needs of each one of our clients so that we can develop the strategy that's going to best meet their needs, and also make sure that we are giving them the opportunity to knowingly choose the path through their divorce. Our past clients would say that they are kept informed of the process as it unfolds, and that they have a very frequent opportunity to have direct contact with their attorney, and they have the ability to know what's going on and the ability to make sure that they have an active role in what happens in their case. Client communication is very important in our firm. We actually have a specific habit that we engage, which is setting time-certain phone calls. One of the reasons we do that is to avoid that ubiquitous game of phone tag. Scheduling a time-certain phone call really eliminates the 4 to 5 back and forths that it can often take to get a hold of your attorney. So that's one of the ways we make sure that we maintain our client communication within everyone's expectations. Our law firm is different than other law firms because we really operate from a sense of honesty, because we actually care about your case. It's very important to me to make sure that my client proceeds throughout their matter with a very knowing sense of what to do next, and a very knowing sense of what is likely to happen and how to make choices about the variety of options and paths that could be taken in their case, by both what the cost of that will look like and what the desired outcome will be. We are a smaller law firm, and there's a great advantage to having a smaller law firm is that there's a lot more control within your case. Your case is handled very closely by your attorney and our staff that very diligently knows each and every unique detail for your family, so that we can make very good decisions when it comes to reaching your ultimate goal. Each case that comes into my firm is handled personally by me and overseen by me. We do have very trusted associates within our firm, but there is no case that goes through this office that I don't personally touch, get to know, and give full direction on in proceeding throughout their matter. During your initial case evaluation, we spend about an hour to discuss with you everything that's going on with your case and the exact strategy that will best help you reach the desired outcome that you have. We will answer any questions that you might have and advise you on all of the aspects in the law that pertain to what the needs are for your specific case. If you're in need of an attorney to handle your divorce or paternity action in the Orlando, Florida area, I would love to help you resolve your conflict that you currently have going on.